Legends of Motocross, Keith Johnson called me up, or his dad Rick called me up. They run the Southwick track, and he had a collection of a 5-decade racing career from when he was 4 years old, the trophies. This is just some of them, and they were gonna throw them out. And I was like, man, don't throw these out. Bring them in. We have a restoration shop here. We restore motorcycles. We'll clean these up and give them a second lease on life. Put them on display in the museum. Maybe re-gift them or display them or whatever. But this is before. And they're pretty rough, they're pretty crusty, they're pretty beat up. They got like, well, they need a second chance at life. Okay, we're making a little progress here. The pile's getting a little smaller, as you can see. But yeah, and we got, how many we got done so far? We salvaged these 4, have been cleaned. We soaked them in cleaner and Simple Green, used the super hot power washer, cleaned them up, straightened them out. And Old School's putting the polish on them. Got a little chain gang going here. These are the ones that we're still got to go. So what happened over the course of time, they got a little crusty, a little dusty, maybe a little mouse, I don't know. Maybe they were outside. These are the ones we reassembled right here, and then we're gonna detail them. Old School's over here doing it. How'd they come in Old School? Got a winner? Winner, chicken dinner. All right, I've seen some fucked up trophies in my days, excuse my language, but geez. Can we fix it? Will it start? Oh my God. Keith, we'll get it right for you. Okay, we got some bad news. These ones did not pass triage, man. But these ones, haha, looking pretty good. This one's gonna need a little extra TLC, but there's hope. So what we do is we take the hot water power washer. It's a steam-fired hot water power washer, as you can see. $8,000 unit. Works magic, makes the magic happen. Hot water does amazing things. Just steam clean, hot water. Hey, Ronnie. Ever see it at night? It shoots flames. Go ahead, try it again. How cool is that? So why would I dedicate 4 of our guys to doing this? Well, these aren't just anybody's trophies. If you're a motocross fan and you watch motocross, Keith Johnson actually won the AMA 50+ national championship, beat Jeff Emig and a bunch of other fast guys at Loretta Lynn's this year. So special guy, special trophies. He also runs the Southwick motocross track with his dad. So us 4 boys are dedicating to make this lifelong collection of trophies something worth he can be proud of again. And just, what time is it, Ron?
8:05, sir.
8:05, Thanksgiving evening. We're here at 8:05. Why are we burning the midnight oil to get this done? Well, history is worth saving. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears went into gaining these trophies. And sometimes you got to go the extra mile to get things done, man. Sometimes you got to burn the midnight oil. It's a holiday. We all want to get home with our families, and we will. Tomorrow's a national holiday, Thanksgiving. All right, guys, this took a little bit of effort, but I think you'll think the end result was worthwhile, and I certainly do. And this is a metaphor. I had an epiphany while I was doing this. These trophies were a throwaway. Mr. Johnson called me up, said he was going to put them in the landfill. You know, this building that we're in, this massive 1814 factory, nobody wanted this building. For 54 years, it was basically vacant. We bought this massive factory for $74,000 in a tax lien foreclosure. Now it's an object of, well, admiration. And a lot of the stuff that's in the museum was like this. It was garbage. And it took a little effort. Ronnie stayed on Thanksgiving Eve till 8:15 with me.
Yes.
Jeff stayed with me. Leo stayed with me.
Yes.
Well, Old School had to go. I think the Packy was closing or something, not to throw him under the bus, but he had to go. But in any event, this is what we accomplished. 4 guys, hour and a half later, and we took a pile. Now, think about this. These are all memories that Keith Johnson had. Look at this. Ronnie, you want to hold the camera for a second? This trophy right here, they don't make trophies like this anymore. Honest to God, I know because I buy them. This trophy weighs about 35 pounds, maybe 40 pounds. It's a 1970 NEMA Short Track Championship trophy. Look at it. The base is granite. It was broken. The top was broken off. Well, we weren't able to salvage all the trophies. A couple of them didn't make it, but we salvaged one trophy. We made one good one out of 2. And we do that with motorcycles all the time. Now, I said the buildings were abandoned. The buildings were neglected and unloved. We showed them a little love, put a lot of love, 100 man years of labor, millions of dollars, but a lot of effort. We made something unique that can't be recreated. We're preserving motorcycle history. What we're doing with these trophies here is we're preserving motorcycle culture. This is one of the top 10 all-time riders that come out of New England, and his trophy collection was get thrown in the trash. This is less than half of it. There's another big section of it. We'll put it on display in the museum. Maybe down the road, Keith might say, hey, can I have my 1975 championship trophy or my 79? I want to put it on display with a bike I restored. They'll be preserved in the museum for future generations. And some of the figureheads on these are solid brass, or they're solid pewter, where the new ones are like plastic. Like I said, they don't make them like this anymore. This one's solid wood, this first place trophy. But it's more the correlation of like some people may think you guys watching, you may think you're a failure or you're a throwaway or you don't have a future. I'm here to tell you, if you're willing to work hard, like us four guys are here at Thanksgiving evening, working, they're making overtime. And it's not about the money. They're here because they want to see something beautiful be created. And I'm not here because of the money, that's for sure. I'm certainly not getting paid to redo these trophies. I'm paying these guys to help get these redone because I see the beauty in this. And, there's been people that have failed relationships. Someone throws you away. They think that you're not any good. That doesn't mean that you're not worth something. Mm-hmm. You got to have your own self-esteem and take care of yourself like we do these trophies. And you become something like these trophies when you take care of you. Now you become something that people will admire because look at it. It's something special, man. And we do that with buildings. We do that with motorcycles. All the motorcycles, like this ATC over here that Ryan's been working on for 3 days was not an object of desire. Wait till it's done. The TM Zilla we're working on over there, these will be cultural icons, these motorcycles. They're gonna get hundreds of thousands of views because they're unique. We took a TM 400 motor and put it in a modern Unitrack frame. We took a KX 500 motor and put it in an old ATC frame. Doing something different, working hard, seeing the beauty in things that are around you. Clean up your area, clean up your neighborhood, clean up your property. You can, here's a prime example right here. This truck right here. This is a Chevrolet Silverado Duramax diesel 2500 HD with the Allison transmission. And my friend who's a painter, to him it was a throwaway truck. He did not want the truck. He basically gave me the truck. And he didn't want to put the effort into it. They had issues with the interior, issues with the paint, issues with the bed, issues with all the clear coat and the rims were peeled off. We did these rims. These were they look like garbage. How much did it take per rim?
I would say about 15, 20 minutes.
25, plus the power washing and plus Leo painting them. Maybe 45 minutes a rim. Mm-hmm. To go from something that would look like junk to what it is. And it's a metaphor. You don't need to buy new things in life. You can take old things and make them beautiful. And not everything's a throwaway, man. Think about it twice before you consider that. And these trophies are a prime example of that. But I see the beauty in this. And I wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to you guys, and thanks for staying late to help me put this together here. But can't wait to send a picture of this to Keith Johnson and his dad, Rick, because I know they spent a ridiculous amount of time and money and effort over the years to win all these races and win all these trophies. And a lot of these are championship trophies, which represent a 10-race series. But anyways, these are going on display in the museum. They are beautiful now. Thanks for watching. Make your life beautiful. Make yourself beautiful. And beautiful things will happen around you. Trust me. It'll happen for you and countless others. Pull yourself up by your bootstraps. Put the effort in. Hustle. Work hard every day. And great things will come to pass. Thanks for watching. God bless America. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Jeff, is there anything you'd like to add about this?
Yeah, I'd just like to say that, not everyone's trash isn't, it's definitely another man's treasure. But just like this mill, you didn't see everything that happened here, but you foresaw what it could be. So in that saying, you gotta look at what the potential of things rather than the negative.
Thank you. Yeah, faith beyond what the eyes can see.
Yes.
Ron, you want to add anything?
Hey man, I would like to say, like Rockville, like these trophies, we're here to stay. A little TLC, love and care, we'll fix them up. Y'all know the deal.
Amen. Happy Thanksgiving. Anyway, man, these came out nice. I'm just impressed with what we got here. And this is a family heirloom. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great Thanksgiving. If no one's told you yet today, we all love you. And God bless America.